The National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio, and Jackson, Kentucky, has issued a tornado warning for Robertson County in northern Kentucky, Wellesley County in southeastern Kentucky, and surrounding counties, including Bracken County in northern Kentucky, Lee County in eastern Kentucky, Jackson County in eastern Kentucky, effective until 11:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe line of thunderstorms capable of producing multiple tornadoes. These dangerous storms were located along a line extending from near Mount Olivet in Robertson County to near Boonville in Owsley County, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. In addition to tornadoes, these intense storms are capable of producing destructive golf ball-sized hail and damaging straight-line winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mount Olivet, Boonville, Brooksville, Beattyville, McKee, and surrounding rural areas. To protect your life, take shelter immediately. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, outdoors, or in a vehicle, move immediately to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Robertson, Wellesley, Bracken, Lee, and Jackson counties in Kentucky. Take shelter now. This concludes this message.